The mighty input tag in HTML5. The input tag is a cornerstone of web forms. It's the invisible workhorse that lets users interact with your web page by entering data. But don't be fooled by its simplicity, this tag packs a punch. Types of input. The magic lies in the type attribute. This tells the browser what kind of data to expect and how to display the input field. Here are some common types. Text, the default type, perfect for general text input. Password, creates a field where characters are masked for security, like your login password. Email, provides keyboard suggestions for email addresses. Number, lets users enter numeric data, often with handy up/down buttons for easy adjustment. Checkbox, a box that can be toggled on or off for true/false selections. Radio, a group of circular buttons where only one can be selected at a time. File, opens a dialog to select a file from the user's device. Beyond the basics, the input tag has a ton of attributes to customize its behavior. Placeholder, text that appears faintly inside the input field as a hint. Required, makes the field mandatory to fill out before submitting the form. Disabled, grays out the field, making it uneditable. Min and max, set limits on what values are allowed for numeric inputs. Pattern, define a regular expression to validate the format of entered text, like an email format. Putting it all together, let's look at an example. This code creates a form with a name input, required, an email input, required, a message text area, and a submit button. Remember, the input tag is all about user interaction. By using different types and attributes, you can create a wide variety of forms to gather the information you need from your visitors. So, experiment and have fun.